Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to install any of our pull-start engine blower units onto your Cyclone Rake. Caution: the engine blower unit is heavy, and you may need assistance removing it from the box and lining it up on the chassis. Once the engine blower unit has been removed from the box, lift the blower unit onto the front of the chassis using the handles on each side. The blower inlet faces the same direction of your mower's discharge. Locate the two engine clamp knobs and rubber washers you removed from beneath the chassis. Line up the mounting brackets on the front and rear of the engine blower unit. Now install one rubber washer on each clamp knob, then securely clamp the engine to the chassis by threading the engine clamp knobs through the holes. Okay, we are almost there, but don't start your engine yet. You haven't added gas or oil.